Bride era.
Ignore ang followers. Ay, sorry.
Wow, sana all. Sana all nagaganyan. Oh, ang aming bride to be.
Dapat may BOA station sa wedding mo.
Hala, ano yan? Wala kaming ganyan. Ay.
Sponsored by your sister. I don't wanna wear it.
Dami ko palang ano, suot.
Team Bride. Hello po.
Nababasa niyo ba? Bride to be. Si Jean!
Ay, hello.
What this gives? Ay! Ay! Team Black.
Ay, may maliit na pitoy-toy dito ah. Maliit ng pitoy-toy.
Team Bride. Nasaan si Tito Te?
Dinner time.
Dapat ano eh, 3:30.
Hindi, dapat ang 4, 5, 6. Ay, hindi, dapat 4 pala po.
Oh.
5 ang call time, but the start of the party.
Probably 8.
Sarah?
Teka,
Looking nervous.
Loki, so
wala akong alam dito. Alam mo ba? Wala akong malimalay.
I just sat.
Hindi ko alam to. Si ate mo.
Ay, di ka pa niya.
Wala, hindi ako na-inform. Sabi ko dali.
Kasi wala po kaming contact sa inyo eh.
Wala malak.
Kaya, may contact ko kayo ni Kyla, kaso wala kaming contact. Kaya,
Sabi niya mo.
namin kalahati.
Sabi ni...
Ako 20. You can recite.
Ay, sabi ni...
Wait!
Sabi ni Diding. Block daw yung TV. Hello. Kakalkal pa mo. Block.
Si Kyla kasi dapat surprise.
Your splash of
Ano ba ang Kyla? Nagpapala lang ang sarili niya. Kaya, alam niya rin. Imbis sa surprise.
Nag-usap-usap lang kami nung yung para dun sa
Basa!
mga gagamitin namin
Oh,
para
nice
dun sa
colors,
wedding na
good.
talaga yung mga tugtog.
Here comes the ride.
Okay na eh. Nagano pa.
Tapilok men.
No.
Tapilok pose.
Dapat meron din pala dito.
Ano ba ako? Team bride.
Sorry.
Is it okay?
Maybe almost like a sailor direction.
Si Jean.
Ay,
Terus mo na kayo dyan.
Sorry.
sorry. Nag-ano kami
Sorry. Nagmo-moment.
Hang on.
Ay, wait lang.
If you turn this off, the light goes
Bakit na yung panty mo?
Wala nga na yung shorts.
Hindi naman ako sa nagtahinan.
Cheating.
Dahil ito, umiyak pa rin. Matman! Hi! Wala pa. Ano tayo? Team Bride tayo. Suotin mo na yung ganito mo. Team Bride. Team Bride tayo, oh.
Ito, sana all. Ang $2 kung Kmart. Nawala na. Wala na yung pang-issue diverse kung ano.
Akin $5.
Wow. Ganda.
Baka naman picture.
Regine, hindi na ka picture.
Go! Ano mo ante? 0.5 na yan para kasya tayo lahat.
Hindi kasi like it's ugly.
I was a doctor who could heal your broken heart, analyze each bruise and hear your story from the start, and stitch up every tiny tear with a
Period. Dati nag-message si Clinton.
Miss Universe!
Ay, ano question?
Okay, picture muna while we're waiting.
ordinary girl, but I know the way your chest aches, the way your head swirls when abandoned beat and broken down by the one who knew you best. I was sleeping when he cut my veins to fuel a new on life out west. No, I am not a doctor, but I've got some.
Mga bata nandun. Oh, pero di ba tayo lang? Di ba tayo ano? Tapos mama. Team Bride. Ang cute. Nakabla kami lahat.
Masa. Sekarang
Tintin, no? Seryoso masyado. Hey, Tintin! Chabelita!
Now, before we start, maybe we can play some games first.
Tagalog. Georgia Capital.
No! Georgia, you have to understand.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, I think everyone.
Who's that?
And then we have like 15 photos. You
Just me?
Yeah, that you have to remember.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh!
Yan mo naman pagkain ko.
Three of us, like, there's like 3 people can share.
People can share.
Muna, like for now. And then we can do it later again. Maybe 3 people can share, like, a funny photo with Kyla. Yes. And then maybe you can like share like a history of that photo. And then say like a short message to her. Okay, who wants to go first? I'll go first.
Hi, volunteer, Georgia.
Because I will propose in the Sydney in front of the harbor.
Who's Arbor?
The harbor bridge. The harbor bridge and the triangle one. The opera house. The opera house. Boo. Are you guys ready to see something?
Okay, show the video.
So that's the first one.
Wait, show.
We're going to pass it around. Okay. Do you guys want to do that or do you want to like go?
Why don't we like we go and then they go? Okay, yeah. We swap each one. Yeah. Different hats. Yeah. I think that'll be better.
Yeah, but we're gonna do. That's where I'm trying. But then we're gonna do like trying to find. It's gonna do it in the pot. So maybe you guys can do it and then.
No, I think one. Example, it's like one word.
Okay, let's do a practice.
Okay. Go practice.
Okay, let's do a practice. But it's not like the words are not wedding related. You guys just have to.
Oh, that's funny, Jordan.
Pictures.
Door, come on. No, fine.
Oh, what's that?
I feel like something's gonna pop.
To the wedding. You're welcome.
So cute.
Ano laman? Shower again? Kojic.
Wala bang alaksan dyan?
This is like a whitening soap. Yeah, whitening soap.
Are you telling me I'm
Hindi man to from Philippines.
So they can
long cute?
and also it's like for you and Gab.
Oh, he was actually looking for this.
Really? Great.
Where did he get it? Where did
I
you
got
guys
it
get it?
from Target.
Legit?
But we don't have target here. We don't have target here.
Oh, and we also have this. That's your ideal. You said that's your ideal bouquet, so we have it made.
Okay, yan yung
Because it's so expensive, so we have it.
tira mo yun hanggang next week.
Okay.
Don't eat that.
It's cake and booze.
It's only for.
Hey, give me boom! 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 Boom!
Okay, we can start drinking.
Yeah!
Oh, magkakalam ba? Magkakalam?
Pag-shoot.
Can we paint?
Excited na kami mag-paint. Kala mo talaga nito. Ang ganda oh, ng bulaklak na cake.